All right, we've got some smoke rolling. Let's go in and prepare the burgers.
Hey guys, we are here to show you how we do our hamburgers. Most people know how to make them, some people don't, and both are okay. It's perfectly fine not to know how to make one. I didn't know how to make one when I first started. So, what I have here is ground chuck. You usually do an 80-20 blend. That gives you enough fat in your burger to help it be very juicy and tasty. We just do them, pat them out. I have the balls made. I do them one at a time. All I do, straight down, pat them out. A lot of people like a smash burger, which I love a smash burger. So we're just gonna pat that out, get it real thin. My husband loves a thicker burger, so I make him a little bit thicker burger. So, that's how you start. Smash them all down. I'm just gonna do about 4 for you right now. Smash them. Now, most people forget to use salt. Don't forget salt. You can come over and do the salt for me, please.
How much you
A
want?
little bit of salt on each one, just sprinkle over. You need that just to give yourself a little flavor on top of your flavoring. A little bit all over, a little bit all over.
You're stacking flavors.
We're stacking flavors. And one side is usually enough. So, now you need to put your seasoning on, but you need a binder on there first. And you can use Worcestershire sauce. We use mustard. When we smoke our meats, we always use mustard. We just like it better. You can use any kind of binder. You can use soy sauce if you want. You can use Worcestershire sauce, whatever. But we're going to use mustard tonight. So all that is throwing a little mustard on there. And you can see they're just patted out. If we can get the mustard to come out. Oop, there it goes. And we're going to do both sides and around the side of the patty too. So you see how you just rub it on there. Even if you don't like mustard, it's okay. Because you're not going to taste it. It's basically going to bind in.
You really can't taste it.
With the flavors. And you're going to taste more of what you flavor it with. Because the mustard's going to hold it on there for you. So now, both sides.
Oh, mine's already flipped.
Just flip it.
Okay.
Do
There we
what I
go.
say.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we go, and we're just rubbing it in. Now, we are going to use tonight what we have just found, and it's Meat Church seasonings. And this guy's awesome. Some of you may know who he is, but he has his seasonings available, and they're online. We just bought a slew of them. So we like a little kick in the burger. If you don't, let's do the voodoo first. You can do the, this is Meat Church, this is voodoo seasoning, and we just do a little bit of that. It tells me to get my hands out of the way all the time.
Hands out of the way.
That's good. And then now we're going to do a Meat Church, and it's the all-purpose seasoning. If you've ever heard of Lowry's, if you remember Lowry's, I don't know how old you are, but I remember Lowry's back in the day.
I got to eat at a Lowry's restaurant in
Okay.
Las Vegas, I think it was.
Hang on, we're going to do the other side. Do both sides so you get the seasoning on there really good. Okay, so we're going to flip them back over. And remember, our mustard is still hanging out on there.
The mustard is still mustarding.
It's still mustarding. And we're going to do both sides. A little bit of voodoo first, hands back.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, that's yours.
I like that one.
And then the Meat Church all-purpose. And remember, you put a little salt on first, and that's going to help everything to blend, Salt is the mineral of the earth.
That's right.
And
what?
we're ready for the grill.
And we're going to let these sit for a little bit, right? I think. We're going to let them sit.
You can let them sit, yeah. We'll probably let them sit for about 10 minutes just to absorb the seasoning. And then on the grill we go.
Yep. All right. See you in a minute. All right. So our grill should be up to temperature. Let's get something to put these on the grill with. Shouldn't say grill, it's a smoker. We're using a Grilla, Grilla, Grilla Chimp. This is the Chimp smoker. It's a pellet smoker. We're using Kingsford mesquite wood pellets. Mesquite is a strong flavor and makes things extra tasty.
Ladies always check behind them just to make sure they did it right. It looks like you did good.
All right, we're going to close this up and come back. All right, let's take a peek. Check the sizzle. Yep, letting some heat out there. They're looking pretty good, but I don't think they're quite ready to flip. Let me show you a couple of other tools that we use out here. So one thing I would really recommend that you have is a meat thermometer. We have a couple that we keep out here in the smoke shack, and they're very small. There's one there, Thermo Monster, and this one is an Alpha Grillers. So basically what you do is just open this probe, right? And you're going to probe the meat, whatever you're cooking. It's going to tell you what the temperature is. And typically on the back, this one is on the front. It's going to give you a guide, what temperature you're looking for beef, poultry, fish, and pork. And on this one, it's on the back. This one's a little more detailed. It gives you well, medium rare for beef, salmon, poultry, pork. So pretty cool. You can also switch this one back and forth between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So this is the Thermo Monster. I don't think I can switch this one. Maybe I can. Yes, right here you can, right here. This one also has a light. And this one lights up when you open it up. I believe, yes it does. So anyway, those are two thermometers that we use on a regular basis, and highly recommend that you have a meat thermometer. All right, let's see if we can flip these guys and not knock them apart. Looking good. Well, these might be finished. Let's do a temperature check here. Using a Thermo Monster meat thermometer, and I'm after 145 degrees, so we're done. We're hitting 162, 156. Yep, so we're finished. Let's shut it down. Good to go.
Okay, we're ready to take these things off. We're at 150 to 160. Normally we're like at about what? 145?
Yeah, 145. Yeah.
Somewhere around in that. Listen to that. Looks pretty. And you can see I like them a little bit more smashed. He likes them a little bit thicker. So we've got them in now. This is what I do to make the cheese melt more evenly over your hamburger. When they're hot, you bring them in, and I put the piece of cheese on and just put a topper on, just a lid, and that keeps the heat in. And look how they melt. They just melt right to it. Hubby likes cheese on the side. That's weird, but okay.
I'm not weird.
That's weird. And this is a homegrown tomato. This came out of my dad's garden. And he likes a little bit of onion. I like pickled onion. And he forgot to get that out. I'm going to get that out for you and show you what it is. Hang on 1 second.
Gotta have the dill pickles.
Oh,
Maybe
yeah,
some
he likes dill
mustard
pickles.
and some ketchup.
Check this out. This is the best pickled red onion ever. It's wonderful. If you like a pickled onion, grab it. Just pull them out, put a few on your burger. I'm going to assemble one, show you what it looks like, and then we're going to eat. Ready? Mmm. So good.
All right, wrap it up. Final thoughts.
Look, you have to make this. It's quick, it's easy, and it's amazing.
All
Enjoy.
right, let's eat.